Welcome to another part of the Vasco Translator V4 video manual. In this chapter, I will tell you what is and how to use MultiTalk. MultiTalk is an application that allows you to create a multilingual chat of up to 100 people. It's an excellent tool with plenty of use cases, such as communicating with foreign employees, attending international classes in schools, or learning from online and in-person workshops. In order to use MultiTalk, you say or text a message in your own language and other people in your chat room receive it in their own languages. Would you like to see how it works? Let's move on to the device and do it step by step. Select the fourth position from the main menu, MultiTalk. Here you can see a history of your chats. You can join an existing chat by typing in its number, or you can create a new chat. Here you will be asked about the chat's name, about your display name, and the language in which you want to attend it. If you're ready, click Start Chat. Then, relay either the QR code or the chat number to the people you want to chat with. You can also invite them with email. Here, you can either type in your messages or use voice recognition. Hello, is anyone here?
Yes, I am. How are you?
As mentioned, you can also type in the messages. The message will be played back in the interlocutor's language on their device. That's it for this part. Now you know how to use MultiTalk. I invite you to the next parts of our video tutorial where you will learn about the other features of the Vasco Translator V4.